Are you curious about these new lip cheek combo products? Have you heard about watercolor makeup where it's just a wash of color, but you're not sure how to get it? Yves Saint Laurent recently released these Nude tints in 3 shades, available at Sephora for $26. They're a balmy tint that's supposed to be sheer and moisturizing. It's got hyaluronic acid in it and give you just a beautiful natural finish. I have all 3 shades and I'm going to wear all 3 of them for you. Let's start by swatching these colors. I will start with what looks like the lightest, which is called New Pinch. It is taking a surprising amount of squeezing to get that product out. Oh, it's quite thick. I guess that's good. Oh, look how pretty that is. What a gorgeous shade of, I'm gonna say light peach. Yeah, definitely peach. There's really not much pink in this. Moving on to New Chills, and this is definitely a more purpley based one. Oh, actually, when you shear that out, look at that beautiful raspberry shade. Oh, that actually has got a lot more pink in it than it appears in the package. Another gorgeous shade, oh my gosh. Which makes me very curious now what New Flush is going to look like. In the tube, it looks quite red. Yes, just a sheer wash in red. And it looks like a good balance. It's not too blue and it's not too orange. It looks like a nice middle of the road red. I have my foundation on and my brows done, but I haven't powdered. I've done nothing else. I'm going to go in with the New Chills, that raspberry shade. It just looks so pretty. And let's start with my lips. My lips are so dry right now. What a pretty shade. And it's moisturizing. It's not like a sticky gloss and clearly doesn't have that shine. And when it's a lip cheek product, I wouldn't expect it to be terribly shiny. But it does have like a thick balm quality to it. It feels really nice on. Now I know some of the color right now in this cheek is because I was just rubbing the product on. So I want to wait a minute and let that flush drain out, but that is really pretty looking. Before I run off to finish up my makeup, I want to do a little bit more on my lips. That really punched up the color on my lips. I really am liking this. Here's the final look today. I just went for kind of a light to medium, not quite no makeup look, but I did want something simple because I just love that little bit of glow on the cheeks from this tint. And this lip made it through a meal. So I will say that the staying power of this color is really nice. I am feeling like though that I do want it built up more. I guess, you know, I'm just a bold lip at heart kind of person. So I am gonna squeeze out just a bit more and I'm gonna try a brush. I could not find a specific lip brush, so I just cut a small eyeshadow brush. And we'll grab a little bit more. So this is the final look for the New Chills color. Now I'm using New pinch, this lovely light peachy shade. Again, you're gonna see that my cheeks get a little flushed because of the rubbing, but then it'll settle down and you can see just what a lovely sheer wash of color I get from this product. This is a great color for a no makeup look or a wedding, anything where you want just that je ne sais quoi, that soft, almost innocent look. This color definitely needs building up to use on the lips, at least my lips. My lips are quite pigmented. And there's the new pinch. And now we get to try the new Flush, that red shade. I'm gonna go into lips first. As I mentioned before, this red is a great neutral, true red. It doesn't read too blue, it doesn't read too orange. To me, it feels middle of the road and I think it's gorgeous. Go for cheeks now. That's pretty. And you notice I went in on the upper outer part of my cheek first because that's where the most color is going to go down. That's where I wanted it to go down. And as I mentioned, of course, because I'm rubbing this in, my cheeks are flushing a bit. Now you can check out this side for what the color truly is. And once again, I am really happy with this product and with this color. Let's just try a wee bit more on the lips and a little more precise application with a brush. I have been really happy with these lip and cheek balmy tints from YSL. As I said, this is the first YSL makeup I've ever purchased, and it feels really good on my lips. It's moisturizing without being sticky. It gives a matte look without drying. And then the cheek color is a beautiful wash of color, this kind of watercolor makeup that's so in right now. Really, really lovely. If you liked this video, I think you really like this one. I did it on the Maybelline Made For Me line of lipsticks. I did the whole line of lipsticks. What a pleasant surprise those were. And then I have this playlist with so many makeup reviews.